OSW Black Friday. Sunday though. Came out yesterday. Hang out. Saw a bunch of the homies. And it was good just to chill, not make a video. Sometimes I come to events so focused on making stuff that I don't get to chill and talk with everybody. Especially when I'm not driving. I like focusing on making a video, but you know, didn't think I'd come out today, but Sunday, I was like, I'm not doing anything. Let's go back out there. Maybe I will make a video. And you know, we got the GoPro here. Yo, hooked up on the headset. Just got zoomed by. So let's strap this on. Now we got the GoPro here. Brought the helmet. Did a couple ride-alongs yesterday with Kashad. First tandem of the day? Was that your first tandem today? Damn! Woo!
That was fucking fire.
Real fire, real fire. Super fun. And yeah, maybe we catch a couple more ride-alongs today. This guy there. What's up, buddy? The 4th yesterday? You did, dude. When you were burning out, we're like, don't run out of tire. Don't do it too much. Not too much.
Too tired.
Yeah. Damn, dude. Well, you're not on fire today, so
Don't curse me.
that's a good thing. We have the new Matsuri Ebisu Matsuri tire, Treadwear 360. 360? Huh.
Must be pretty grippy though.
Yeah, that's a good thing on the skid pad, right?
I bought that shit done yesterday, bro. There's no grip on it.
Yeah. I'm glad the rain throughout the week didn't really make it flood over there.
Felt like I was ice skating, bro. Holy shit. It was grip, 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 and then I tossed it to the next one. I was like, I just kept going backwards. I was like, fuck, I'm on the throttle.
Is it corner 3?
Huh?
Corner 3 back there? Yeah, that's what everyone's been saying this weekend.
It was grip all through, and then I it was just, I just kept sliding back, and I'm on throttle. I was like, no, 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 no.
Hey. You're in the E36 there? Nice, dude. This is his. Let's go see this real quick. JZ under the hood. JZ, 2 JZ, 1 JZ. It runs good, no problems with it?
So my only issue is my tuner put a like crazy water temp limiter.
Yeah.
So at 230, my RPM goes from 75 to 3,000 until it cools back down.
True.
Which I mean, I guess, you know, not the worst thing.
Yeah.
But when you're exiting the when it's hot like this, and I get to the last corner, sometimes I'll be like trying to gas out of it by the wall, and it goes, and I'm like, no.
Wait, it doesn't go out? Doesn't go.
I get like 4 laps before I have to start worrying, thinking about it.
True.
The fluid level's good, there's nothing leaking.
I understand.
Unless it's just getting hot.
But it's fully locked up right now. It's a full-on brick. Like randomly it'll sort of go down a little bit, but like...
You have ABS and all that stuff?
Yeah, it's all disconnected. My ABS light's on, always.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Let her pull down.
We have a serious problem. That's what we have. I know problem.
We have no brakes, that's a problem.
Yeah.
Oh, it was terrifying. I thought it was me, right? I was like, damn, I'm an idiot. I should have braked.
Wait a second. What's up, man?
Yo, dude.
How you doing, bro?
Good, yourself?
I like the podcast thing,
Thanks, man.
It's going good.
I mean, I know you're in Tampa, right?
Yeah, I'm in Tampa.
Well,
I drive out here to be on that.
Well,
No, your brake problems rubbed off on me, motherfucker.
Is that what happened?
my brake is literally a rock.
No, you boosted with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, here's for a rock hard today.
No, I'm not driving like that. It's fucking terrifying.
That's why I changed my booster out.
So,
My car caught fire yesterday.
Yeah?
Right underneath my booster, and it fucking melted the diaphragm.
how's everything running, man?
Good, man, good. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. Awesome, man.
You're welcome to jump in for a lap if you want.
Yeah?